At Ihle Fabrications, we make wear parts for combines. We give farmers another alternative than having to replace with OEM parts. It just gives the farmer another option that's also less expensive.
We're excited to partner with CNH Reman to get our parts in front of more growers across the world.
We are able to really extend our reach to the rest of the United States and other countries such as possibly Europe and Australia. It just allows our parts to be accessible to more farmers across the world. But we also do make a lot of parts for New Holland, which is Case's sister company. We're taking care of our Case IH customers, and we're also taking care of our New Holland customers. Our partnership has been great. It's been beneficial on both ends. Before, we had very limited access and only a limited number of farmers that we were able to help with our liners. So we're constantly actively looking for new parts and coming out with new parts to benefit the farmers and the dealers. Mike and Brian Ihle, who started the company, are farmers, and that's kind of where a lot of these ideas came from. And then outside of that, just a lot of other farmers and dealers. Case IH was our first product line that we had begun with. That benefits all of our Case customers, as that's what we have the most depth in parts of. 1440 machines, all the way up to your brand new 9250s. We cover those front to back. Anywhere the green touches, those farmers will have a liner accessible to them. Our liners are also going to be built from Hardox, top quality steel. We also give the price break, so we got a little bit better price point than original OEM. It's awesome that we're able to be a part of moving those the manufacturing of those parts into the United States. A lot of these farmers, they stand behind, they like products that are made here in the US. It's just nice when you can be proud that you got USA on your package. So Ihle Fabrications would be a good option for all Case farmers, as our parts are gonna extend the wear life of their combine, so they're not having to replace as many parts as often. Taking them in for service can get expensive over time, so using Ihle Wear Parts is going to overall lower their cost of owning that equipment. Just a peace of mind that they have, knowing that they don't have leaks that are going to be going on this season, because they've got Ihle liners in there that are going to last. They're not going to be completely worn through, so they're not leaking grain. It just gives them that peace of mind that at the end of this season, their combine's still going to be good to go for the next. We're just excited that we're able to, as the partnership continues, just spread awareness that these are available for these farmers. They can save some money in their pocket, and they can also just get a longer life out of their machines.